Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and style video. I'm using a full collection of products. They are from Garnier Fructis, and it is their hair filler plus hyaluronic line. It comes with a serum, shampoo, conditioner, bonding treatment, as well as a gel cream. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these products work for my hair, as well as hearing my thoughts, then please keep on watching this video. Okay, like I mentioned, the line comes with 5 products, and I do have an infographic here, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys some of the information on there. The repair treatment, it says that it's a sulfate-free bonding inner fiber repair pre-shampoo treatment, and it works with the hair filler systems to repair your hair from inside out. So this is the repair treatment that they're referring to. I believe this comes with all of the systems, and I think there's 3, but the one I have is focused on moisture, so it has hyaluronic acid in there. But yeah, then it says fill your hair with moisture with the hair fiber hair filler and hyaluronic acid system. It's a sulfate-free Garnier Fructis 4-step hair filler and hyaluronic acid system. It fills curly and wavy hair with moisture. It's going to repair and strengthen broken bonds, deepen the cortex hair fibers inner layer, and lock in up to 15 times more moisture. They say it's up to 100-hour frizz control for defined curls with no way down. So let's go ahead and get into the rundown of these products. Okay, so first things first, we have the shampoo. I told you guys basically the gist of the collection, and so all these products are geared towards the same thing, providing the hair with moisture, helping to combat frizz, all the things. Okay, so for this shampoo, I love the consistency of it. It applies so beautifully to my hair, and it feels so softening to my hair. It doesn't make my hair feel dry. I truly think this is a hydrating shampoo, and I really love the way it not only applied but also how it made my hair feel after I rinsed it out. And the steps for this collection, I feel like it's very straight to the point, very simple. Shampoo, it says to just massage the shampoo into wet hair and scalp and then rinse, and that's exactly what I did. If you guys want to know a few of the ingredients, there's water, sodium C14 to 16 olefin sulfonate. It has cocamide mia, glycerin, cocamide propylbetaine, etc, etc, and this is a 10-ounce product. Actually says on the bottle that it has 4% hyaluronic acid and citric acid repair care complex. Okay, so that's the shampoo, but the conditioner says it has 7% of that same blend of ingredients. And this product says to just apply the conditioner to wet hair and rinse. Like I said, straight to the point. It has water, cetyl alcohol, amidimethicone, benzimonium chloride. It has fragrance. The conditioner, to me, it doesn't have anything that is like a super standout ingredient from like other natural hair care brands that, like, you know, focus on things and it will say, oh, it has shea butter, it has this, it has that, all that stuff. I feel like this conditioner, based on the ingredients, when you're reading it, it doesn't sound like it's going to be anything extraordinary, anything spectacular, but I do think that once I applied this to my hair, it was a very moisturizing, and it gave me a ton of slip. I really like this conditioner, and I used a generous amount because hello, it's conditioner and we need a lot of it. Okay, so it allowed me to really detangle my hair, and it gave me the moisture that I was looking for, so I have no complaints about it. This is also a 10-ounce product. I don't know pricing details for these products, but I can leave that down below if you guys are interested. So once the wash day was complete, we moved on to styling. There's 2 products. There is a moisture repair serum and a moisture repair gel cream. The serum has 4% hyaluronic acid and the gel cream has 7%, so kind of like the same percentages as the wash day products. So for the serum, I don't feel like there's anything stand out in the ingredients either. It does have silicone and it has castor oil, and the first ingredient is water. So that's pretty much that. I did apply the serum, but I didn't do too much. I really just did like 1 little drop to each section of my hair. I thought it was interesting that it wanted me to apply it on dry or damp hair, and same for the gel cream, same instructions, dry or damp hair. And then it just says to distribute it evenly from your roots to your tips with your fingers or a comb. Twist your curls around your fingers for maximum curl definition, which would be like a finger coil or maybe even a shingling type of method. And then it says to let your hair air dry. This gel cream, it has water, it has glycerin, it has coconut oil, it has shea butter. So now we're getting to the good stuff, you know what I mean? The gel cream is only 5 ounces, which I feel like is not a lot of product for a styler, especially if it's like the one styler that you're gonna be using repetitively or whatever, or consistently. But anyways, the consistency of this product, it feels nice and lightweight in texture. Once I applied it to my hair, I definitely saw the definition coming through. As I was applying it, I was still skeptical of this whole dry or damp hair type of situation, okay, because I was just like very curious to see how it would perform on soaking wet hair. But I do like to follow the instructions on products when I'm using them for the first time, so I just did my thing and went with it. Okay, I applied a generous amount of this product because even though it was giving me definition, it wasn't like a super defined and I could tell it's gonna have a ton of hold. So I was like, let me see if the more product I applied, the less frizz I would have, more definition, etc, all things. So I did apply a generous amount, and the side of my hair that I did on camera, I feel like that side was more dry, and then once I did the other side, it was a little bit more damp. Okay, then I diffused my hair for a little bit. I feel like I needed to, because the weather hair, it was just too cold. Okay, so I diffused my hair for a little bit and then air dried the majority of the way, because I also just don't have the patience to diffuse my entire head. So there's that. Once my hair was completely dry, I just wore it around for the day, put my bonnet on to sleep. The next day I woke up. I will insert a clip of what my hair looked like yesterday, before I went out and then after I went out, because I do think, you know, I have to include that since it was like raining and snowing and all the things, humidity, etc. Now, once I took my bonnet off, I looked at my results. My hair was flaky. My hair was flaky. And so I am gonna go ahead and say it was a user error, and I just applied way too much of the product, and that's why I had flakes, because my hair also felt too greasy. So I was just like, okay, I kind of overdid it. Okay, so the next go around, I want to try to apply it on soaking wet hair. That's one, and maybe air dry all the way, and also not just load my hair up with product. But I'll definitely have to keep you guys posted on like Instagram, or maybe I'll come back here and like drop a comment and let y'all know what's what. But that was my initial results. All I did was go ahead and added some water to my hands, went over my hair to kind of get the excess flakes out, shook my hair up a lot. But as far as the definition goes, absolutely love how defined my hair was. It had like a slight hold on there, but it was not anything crazy. If you like to wear your wash and go for like a full 7 days and you need it to have like perfectly defined curls, you cannot use this as a one and done styler. You're not going to be pleased with your results. Me personally, I'm okay with big hair. I don't need my hair to be perfectly defined, and they said that this is a lightweight type of hold. You're gonna get lightweight results, and I definitely think that's true. Like, my hair is so airy, it's so free, it moves a lot, and I absolutely love that. So I think it holds true to that claim, so I'm not upset about it. And if you guys look closely, I feel like you can tell that I have quite a bit of frizz going on, because it's obvious, at least to me. And as far as moisture, I do think my hair is moisturized, but I do think that it's not as moisturized as you would think, based on how this line is emphasizing moisture repair and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? But it is moisturized, so it's not like it didn't do anything. So there's that. Hopefully I'm making sense. Overall, I do really like my hair, especially I like the way it looks. I think the curls are just beautiful. I have a lot of volume. I do wish it wasn't so flaky. I do wish it wasn't like super producty, if that makes sense. Like, my hands have a lot of residue on them, and I know you guys are probably like, well, why did you apply the oil? It was more to add shine, and it really was like a drop of oil. So there's that. My hair felt greasy before the oil. But yeah, overall, I do really like my results. I think that this would pair even better with like a stronger hold gel, because you'd get the definition and the hold and the moisture and all the things. I feel like this is a good styling cream. I think if you like to use multiple products for a wash and go, especially like a 3-step type of process, stick to your process if you're going to incorporate this styler. So leave in this cream and then your gel, and you'll be set. You'll probably have a beautiful, perfect wash and go, but cannot complain. I think it looks really, really pretty, and I'm happy with my results. I'm not gonna say that this is gonna be like my new go-to collection of products, but I definitely will continue to use them. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. Let me know if this is something you would pick up, or maybe just like one or two of the products, or if anything at all. And I'll see y'all in my next video.